Morning everybody, and once again welcome back in today's class, day number 8. We are at point of time. So from the last 2 or 3 days we are doing a navigation in service now. We are trying to be understand what the terms, what the concepts, what the points we call it. Navigation, frames, search, update set, scoping, sidebar, and all the things will be there. Because it is well said, if you know the tool or you know the tricks and tips to navigate the tool, then you are good in the tool. Okay, so how or what next we have to do here now? Okay, so we've done all this part on this part. Let's understand a little bit more about this. So we are still on the same topic on this part. Even the user menu has been done, so we can mark it as a yellow. Okay, now this part, and maybe by the next week we are taking a little bit more speed in our course, because terms are going to be clear to you guys now. That when I say this thing, you know that what I'm saying, or you get the meaning of that particular part. Okay, so in service now, two things are more important. One is application and one is table. If you see, if you read, or if you talk to anybody, someone say, okay, go and check that module, go and check that application. And in our conversation as well, you find that I say a lot of time, guys, this is a application given by service now, this is a module given by service now. So the question is, what is application and what is module? And again, the same question has been asked to me in the interview as well. What is application and what is module? So application in service now is the main set of that particular operation you want to do, or under which you want to do the operations. Like if I say incident, incident is an application, and create new is a module. Module is a child of a application. So like if I go as per the standard, this one, what is application in service now? See, no, that is a CI. No, not this one, not this one. Hit this one. Modules are the children or the second tier navigation option to the application in the application navigator. Means application is a set. In a short, you can say app. WhatsApp is an application. And what are the modules of that application? Sending SMS, sending images, videos, documents, contacts, money, backup, editing, chatting, changing the wallpaper. These are the separate module. Maybe you can say, Atul, sending message includes everything. No. Sending message means I'm just talking about the text. Sending image is something different. Sending video is something different. Sending document is something different. So those are the modules. Now from today till the time you're working in ServiceNow domain, always remember that modules are something on which we actually work, and application is a collection of modules. Calculator is an application. This is an application. Plus, minus, divide, multiply, x square, 1x, percentage, CE, SC, BAC, MS, MS1. These all are the modules. Small modules because they can do their own work. They're built to do their own work. So like in ServiceNow, we have a lot of applications. Lot of. And how you will come to know that how many applications are there? Only with the experience. When we purchase a ServiceNow, or when we say ServiceNow that please host ServiceNow for me or for my client, ServiceNow give us a out of the box instance. You will see this word many times on the community. OOTB, out of the box, means something which is given by ServiceNow when you purchase it. Best example, when you go and purchase a phone from the market, you get that phone in the box. You bring the box at home, open the phone, switch on the phone. The application which is already installed, maybe you use, maybe you don't use. Like I got a new iPhone. A lot of applications it has. Apple Watch, books, music, navigation, measurement, calculator, and all blah 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 blah. I don't use anything. I want to use my iPhone just for watching videos and making videos or photographs. So this is what the out of the box functionality I can say. You purchase a flat. Builder says, sir, you will get water purifier, you will get a microwave oven. I'm giving to everybody. This is out of the box. So when we purchase ServiceNow instance, we purchase mainly on the ITSM platform, which includes incident, change, problem, request, knowledge, CMDB, CSDM, including my foundations table as well. User, role, group, location, country, department, a lot of things. So these are the application and these are the modules. Maybe you can ask, maybe you have a question, Atul, what does star do? That is your homework. Go and check it. Now when I click on one module, something get open. This a kind of a form get open. This is called the form view. This is called the form view. When I open this, let's say I go here and click on the all. This is called the list view. Mainly two views are famous, form view or the list view. But don't think that when I click on the create new, it open a form. There must be a configuration. Again, when I say is plus 2 plus 6 and click on the equal, it means some code has been written on this plus. That what is the meaning of plus? To add. I put minus. This means that there is some code has been written on the minus or on the equal button. This is what the things. So remember everything. Sorry, remember the thing that everything which you see in ServiceNow has been a configuration. It's not a rocket science. It's not a rocket science that you will not know. Oh wow, this and no. Put a thought that from where these options is coming. When I click on the assign to me, from where this page is coming, I'll show you one thing important or something different. Now tell me from where this page is coming. You know, in India, I work on a project and it is a cab provider company. They use ServiceNow. We just open our mobile phone and say, I want to go from this to this, and then I see the complete map. How this is becoming? Because ServiceNow has given that functionality. So now, maybe by Monday or Friday, we will see that when I click on this, but on this modules, how a page can get open. Maybe like this. See? No? Do you ever?
What are these locations?
Right?
Oh, data centers or what? No, not offices. What do these locations suggest? These marks?
These are just major locations given by ServiceNow. Nothing else.
Okay, I'm just wondering why so many red marks in US, but not a single one in Africa, very few in Asia.
It can be the reason that maybe it shows their customer base something, or maybe their what I can say, major cities or network
Maybe,
sites.
maybe major offices. Okay,
No, no,
anyway,
no.
fine, fine.
Don't this ServiceNow don't have this much offices. I'm sure,
Oh,
but some other purpose is there.
mhm.
Okay,
Okay, fine.
okay. Now we have to be understand that from where these pages are coming. When I click on the new, see, let's say I go here and I open the change. Create new. I'm getting this page. From where this page is coming. Okay, so intention to start putting the thought in your mind that we have a different views available: list view, form view, interceptor view, selection view, and every module has its functionality. Okay, now let's go to a little bit more interesting here. Incident and all. This is a list view. Okay, we'll spend some time to understand this part, because again, as I say, if you know the navigation of a tool, you win the half battle already. Okay, now in this view, let's say Arnav is working like for a incident analyst. His work is to be find out how many incident in progress and in the priority too. How he will do this particular part. Number of ways to do this thing. Number one, come here and put asterisk and say wow, that's nice. I want to say see only priority high. Got it. Very nice, Atul. Very good. Did you notice I put it here, but I getting my query is ready here. I want only hardware. And you can see the query has been built up. Atul, I want to do this filtering part every half an hour, 1 hour. And if you tell me that I have to be do this 3 clicks, 4 clicks after hour, sorry, I'm not going to be use service now. So no problem. Let's make it as a favorite. Click here, create favorite, incident, and now see something new has been introduced by service on the Utah release. Favorite name, I records. Where you want to show top level, I said yes. Done. कहाँ गया? यहाँ गया, ये रहा. Now if you click on this, always open this part. Always open this part. No, no, Atul, I want, I'm putting the use cases. Atul, no, I want to see the incident where the group is hardware only. Two options. Either I remove these first, then this first, and keep it only this. Or if I smart enough, I'll go here and click on this. I go here and click on this. Quick and easy navigation. Atul, take care. Got it. Click on the all. What new? I can do this thing. I want to see only incidents which are priority 5. This is 770 only, right? Let's say if this record is 700 or the more. So what other option service now say, which I called is power of the right click. What you want to do? Go here, right click. You want to matching or filter. Matching means it will bring all the what I can say records where priority is 5. Filter out means it will remove all the records where priority is 5. Filter out. See where priority is not equal to 5 or null. Now you see this has only 1, 2, and 3, 4, not a 5. Atul, it is very tough for me to understand that how many P1, how many P2, how many P3.
Hi, Atul.
Good, sorry.
The one you just filtered out, priority 5, it wasn't quite clear because you didn't put anything about 5. You just right clicked and then you just filtered.
No. What we did, we
how was
right
it?
click on the particular component and then we do it.
Okay.
So service now take this as a value, passing value.
Okay. All right. It's clear now. Thank you.
Now, can you tell me that how many incidents of the P4, P3, P2 and P1? हाँ तो count करते ना. 4 का 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Come on, it's 48. You can still count. But if it's more than 100, you cannot count. Click group by. See the records. And see the symbol. It says that you have a group by on the priority. No, Atul, I want to be group by on the state. No problem. Go and group by state. It's done. I want to do the group by opened. Why it is not available? Anyone has any idea? Why the group by is not available on the opened? It's available here. It's available here. It's available here. It's available here, but not on the opened. Why? Think on that part. Now, let's put a little bit more complexity here or more benefits here. Do you think, or let me open the incident record to give you understanding. This is the form view, right? Agree everybody? Right, yes. This is the form view, right? Now on this form, how many fields we have? So if I scroll, there are about 20-30 fields on this form. But here how many fields we have? 7 and 8. I need more. I need description, I need short description, I need priority, I need urgency, I need severity, I need subcategory. So if you want to bring any new field, click here. And again, this is a personalized list. It means the changes you made will be available only for you, not for anybody else. What field you need? I need this thing. Channel request, channel, child incident, close by, close. Or I can say, contract, business impact. See, these many fields are on the incident table. Can you imagine now? Impact. And just scroll down and OK. See, field has been added. This is what the list view says. Or, no, it's look good, but I don't want to go with this option. So let's ungroup first. And click on the all. You can build the query by yourself. Click on funnel icon. This is called the funnel icon. And it will open a condition builder for you, kind of. I want priority is. This is the variable or the field operator and the value. If you are planning for CSA exam, this is a good question. Priority is not one of is empty, not empty, less than, greater than, less than, or is greater than, or is between, anything is same, is different. Put your query and do your work. Is one of means either it is a critical or it is a high. And
Atul, which exam did you mention? CSA?
CSA.
Okay.
Created.
So this will be answered the question, how do you create filters? How do you
will ask that what is option called?
Okay. This option, right? The last one. You said field operator.
This one, right? So they can give a question like, if they give a screenshot like this, what is middle part called? It is called the operator.
Okay.
Now created. Creation means we're talking about the date. And when you come to the date, you can see the operators. You want to see the between? Between. You know why I'm telling you this thing? Because whenever you go to your customer, they are not much interested at how you are developing the stuff. They are more interested at how they can create the reports. The first question is, can we get a report on this part? You said that service now have this incident change problem and all this form and all these things. Can we get a report on this part? Can I get a report like this? Can I get a report like this? Can I report like this? We can. So between and see the options which service now give. Yesterday, tomorrow, this week, last week, hell lot of options service now give here. Even you can't imagine these many options are there. Current hour. Last 120 days, 120, 90 days, 60 days, 30 days. 1 year, 45 minutes ago. This one. This operator is depend on the type of the field you are picking up. Did we have between this? Okay, between this as well. Now, if you want to do specific dates, you can put the date as well. And this. I want to see the last last 2 years. Between last 2 years and yesterday. It's done. Again, click on this. You want to sort, you can sort as well. Add sorting. by which field you want to sort. So if you see here, right click, you can sort as well. Atul, can I get this list view in the download format? Yes. Excel, CSV, XML, JSON, PDF. Can I create a chart or pie chart? Your report is created here. See, we will have a topic called the reports in depth. So the purpose is that in the list view, you have a lot of things to do. This one. If you want to search, you can search it here as well. Let's say I want to search with the priority. Let's say why it's not able to search. Maybe I'm putting something wrong here. Here now. Okay. Priority is one. Let's say I want a search on the short description. I want to see all the records where email word is coming. I put email and enter. But this is not my requirement. If you see, it says email short description start with email. I say I want to see all the records where the email word is coming. So if you did not put any wild character, either asterisk or either percentage, let's say percentage. Ending. See email, 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 email. But my point is that I want to see which contains, put asterisk. See the account has been changed. It's on you what type of query you want to be. No, you want to be get. Clear? Doubt, question, clarification. Yes, guys.
Good to me, Atul. No query.
Sahil, what do you think?
No doubt, sir.
Elijah?
All clear.
It's all clear. One just has to play around the whole thing.
Yes. And how this thing will get clear? Tell me.
How would it get clear?
Yes, tell me. You say that we need to be clear, or maybe the only option to clear your thoughts, clear your mind, clear your doubts, do the practice.
Yeah.
I maybe I gave you this example or not, but I tell you, in 2014 or 15 somewhere, when I started my ServiceNow journey, it's 8 years now. Okay, so I also get training only. The way I'm giving it's not like that way. It was a in-person training. So I traveled 30 kilometers from my house. It was on Saturday training. That person give only Saturday. So I start in the morning 10 o'clock from my house and I reach there by 11:30. From 12 to 1, he gave us a training and then come back. I came back to my home. That person also said the same thing. Please do the practice today itself. And you know that time it's a young and I was having a baby. So I came back home. I just take a rest. And I said, okay, I'll do the practice tomorrow. Sunday again, go here and there, work and all the things. Monday when I start, open my laptop and see that what he teach me, even I don't remember that how and where to start that option. Because ServiceNow is so wide nowadays. More you explore, more you will get. I cannot teach you each and everything, every option here. I can just give you these things. Okay, guys, this is what. Now it's you to be check. Okay, sort हो गया, configure. Let's see, configure नहीं है अभी कुछ भी, import है, export है, all these things you have to be check. See the what options available here. What I can do. What this two boxes called? Nobody ask. Come on. What this two boxes called?
I think you've said it before, the slush box.
Which one?
I think you've said it before. Slush.
It's slush buckets.
Yeah, bucket.
SLUSH slush buckets. Okay. This one. And then if, okay, one more point, which is ServiceNow has introduced, not latest, but it's little old now. Before Utah they introduced. Atul, take care. I can do this search from here. I can do the search from here. I can do this right click and do. But I don't know a lot of things in ServiceNow. Then no dear, no problem, my friend. You can write your query in a normal English as well. And this is called the natural language filter. Priority is high. Ask. Nothing is working. Oh, priority is, oh, it's working, it's working, it's working. What I did. Okay, let's start again, no problem. Click all. Go here. Priority is high. Ask. See. Because ServiceNow says that maybe a user don't know about the right clicks, the filter criteria. Now, short description contains hello. See the way it has been coming. Number one, your query has been built up. Number two, the parameters are coming in the filtration part.
So
Tip
Atul,
to what?
yeah, so what is this method of filtering your list view called?
No, there is no method. Or you want to know this thing.
Yeah, this thing.
This is called the natural language processing or natural language filtering.
Okay.
So it's used to filter the incidents, the list.
It is used to write your query in a simple English.
Yes, but is it used to also filter the incidents, like the list view?
Yes.
So you can use the natural language and the funnel, or you can just use
Anything you can use.
Yeah, or you can just type in the boxes.
Yes, you can use funnel icon, you can use natural language processing, you can use these options for your searches. It's totally up to you.
Atul, the last one, putting in text in the boxes, near the column names. What do you call it technically? I mean, if someone asks in interview, what are the
this one, right?
Yeah, this one.
These are search parameters or the search value or the filter value, you can say.
Okay.
So if you open this in a funnel icon, you will understand. See my field, my operator, and my value.
Field operator value, right.
Okay, and if I click on this, these boxes will be gone. If you click on this, the boxes will be there.
Oh, okay. By default, the boxes always show.
No, I guess no. I saw somewhere that it is not be available as well.
Okay.
Okay. So this is called the list view, and all filtration we did here. Now let's understand more on the incidents. Not incident, let's understand about the let me come here. Okay, it's there now. Good. Let's understand the form. Okay, because if we want to proceed further, we need to be understand this part as well. In service now, as I say, two things are important. One is application and second is table. What is table? How to create a table, that we'll discuss possibly tomorrow. Let's understand this form. Form is a collection of the different fields. These are called the field. These are all the field. If you go in the ServiceNow terminology or the ServiceNow docs, they never it called as a field. They called as a attribute. They called as a dictionary entry. Let's say Arnav. His name, his last name, his father name, his salary, his designation, his job, his hobby, his nature, his address, his date of birth, his qualification, his degree, his bike, his passion is all the attributes of Arnav. Yesterday I ate a fruit which is in the form or which is in the shape of an egg. Maybe you can guess now what was that?
Sorry, come again, please.
Yesterday I ate a fruit which shape is look like an egg. It's green from the outside, dark green from the outside, light green from the inside. It has something hard in it. I'm not playing the quiz with you. I'm giving you the hints so that you can get that particular name. And those hints are called the attributes. Right? He is the one player who has 13,000 run in ODI matches. You will say it's Virat Kohli. How you come to know? Because that attribute has been associated with that particular person.
Right.
He's the best, or that match go for hours and hours. Is the world's best championship. Wimbledon. Right? So those are nothing. These are the attributes which define a table. Now, if I want to create an incident, I need some attributes, right? You call to customer care and say, my internet is not working. Okay, sir, from where it's not be working? Are you using Wi-Fi, using mobile data on mobile phone, laptop, desktop? So she asked a lot of questions. When she asks a lot of questions, she need a place to be stored that values. And that storage can be done in the table. I'm not going to discuss about the tables now. Let's discuss about the field and types. This is a form view. On the form view, this gray bar is called the context menu. CONTEXT, context menu. These 3 lines, additional actions. These 2 or okay, these 2 as of now are called the UI actions. UI action, attachment, personalized form. I don't want to see these 2 or 3 fields. Click and remove. Let's say check. It's gone. It's there. Personalizing, not for everybody, for me only. Then more options. Scroll down. These 3 are called the sections. These 3 are called the sections. Let me create this record and then I'll show you one more thing. These called the related list. Example I give you. Let's say Arnav is getting married. Okay. In the marriage, in the birthday, in the anniversary functions, to whom we invite? Atul, we invite friends, relatives, family, colleagues. And why we invite? Why we invite? Why you cannot go alone and get married? Why you need a complete public with you? Your friends, your colleagues, your relatives. Why? What do you think, Eliza? What can be the answer here? You are getting married, or Sahil is getting married, or Arnav is getting married. You invite everybody, 100 of people you invite, which majorly categorize your friends, family, relative, and colleagues. Why are you inviting them? Why you cannot go and alone and get married?
To celebrate with me, I guess.
Okay, but why?
So they can get to witness the marriage, the union.
Okay, what do you think, Arnav?
I think it's not complete without them taking part in the marriage. It's like you are incomplete without
How
them.
you can say it's complete? People are getting the court marriage as well. They did not invite 100 of people. Still, marriage is getting complete.
Yeah, that's another way to look at it. But yeah, what else?
Sahil, what do you think?
So they are nervous.
Okay. See, my intention is not to confuse you or to discourage you. Your answer is right. But still think why. The reason being why we invite them to show to the other people that they are always with me to support me. Right? My friends are always there to support me. Either it's a good, it's a bad. So I'm inviting them in my marriage. I want to be enjoy with them. In the same manner, this is incident. And he invited task SLA, CIs, impacted CIs, and child incident to support incident. These are the supporting actors. Someone say, oh, you are alone in the marriage. Nobody is with you. Hey, come on. Give me a minute. Let me call my friends. They are with you to support you, not for enjoying, because you want to show to other person. See, I have these many people who support me, who love me, who care about me. So these are the, and that is we call as related. They are not me, they are related to me. If today's marriage, they will come. Tomorrow something bad happen at my home, they will come. So this is the incident record, and to support this incident, we have the related list. These are called the related list. They're not staying in your house. Your friends, colleagues, relatives are not staying in your house. They are staying in their own house. But if you need, they come. The same thing happen here. When I say they're not staying there in your house, it means all these fields you're able to see here. This is not on the incident table. These are on some other tables. But they are here to show a unity. Right? We as a brother and sister fight a lot. Every brother and sister fight. But if someone came in our house and we have to do some work, we work like a unity. Okay, you do this thing, you deliver this, or you serve this part, I'll bring this thing for you. Now the question comes, Atul, on this form, I can see a lot of fields and different type of fields. Every field is different. The field which has this glass magnifier is called the reference field. What this mean? I told to Eliza, go to that office, meet this person and give my reference. He will entertain your query. Am I staying in Eliza's house? No. I am staying at my house. I have my own family. I have my own culture. I have my own way. I have my own work. I have my own things. But still, I ask her to refer or put my reference there. The same thing is this. How? Question come, Atul, how you know that this is reference field? Right click and show caller ID. See. Table is incident, but it is referring to some other table called the user. Incident said, no, I need you. I'll give you space in my house only. Don't worry, you stay with me. But I refer you some other place. Your values are coming from the other place. This is what is called the reference. Now I show you this thing, assignment group. See, it is not on the incident table. It is on the task table. Now it's a time to confuse you more and more. Once you get confused, only then you will read it. Atul, it's not a fair, right? You're talking about incident, bringing the task. What is this? We'll see. We'll understand this concept tomorrow. So this is on the task table, and this is referring to the assignment group table. Okay, one more thing I remember, right? Which table is it referring? Which table it is?
System user.
Sys, not system, sys underscore user.
I have a question, please.
Go ahead first.
I can see it's dictionary info. So is dictionary the same as a table or field?
No. I said we call this as a field. We called it as an attribute, but ServiceNow called it as a dictionary. This is the table. Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say you fill a form for maybe a job, maybe for the license, or maybe for something else. You give to me. Atul, can you have a look? I says, okay, your name is Elizabeth Daniel. Can I have your iCard to be verified? This is what the dictionary info is there. That are you putting the right name or not? Can I have your driving license to verify your date of birth? Or can I have your date of birth certificate to verify your date of birth and your place, or the city, or the state, or the country? This is what the dictionary info. Because I, as a developer, need to be understand, boss, from where these fields are coming. Now, if I show you one thing, okay, let me tell you one thing. On UK. Oh. Okay. Now, let me open this. Open this. Open this. Now tell me. Oh, they don't have any field here. Okay, this one. This field. Do you know that from which table it is we referring? Atul, why I should bother, right? Right, Eliza?
Sorry, could you please come again?
My question is that, do you know that from which table this field is coming? Add gift option.
No.
No, why should I bother? My work is to just order the things.
Yeah.
But if you are a developer in the Amazon, then you bother that from which table this field is coming. The same thing applies here. As an end user, it's not worry for me that from where these fields are coming. But as a developer, I should know that from where these things are coming. Same example, let's say Arnab invited everybody for his marriage. He can say, oh my God, my friend is coming from UK. Info that he or she is coming from UK means I need a special treatment for him or her. They need a little rest, a good rest before they start in the function. This is what the dictionary info says here. I, as a developer, need to be understand that from where these fields are coming. Tomorrow, when we discuss about the tables, then you understand in depth. So this is called the reference. These are the choices, not a drop down choice. Want to see? Right click and type is string. Type is string. Atul, are you making us fool? This has a value called inquiry or help, and you're saying type is string. Are how is possible? It should be choice. These are the magics. I show you one more thing. Show impact. See, integer और लिखा क्या है? Low, LOW. That's not fair, Atul. So these are called the choice fields. These. Again, these are the reference. These are the reference. Choices. These are called string or text box, normal text box. See, type string. These are the multi-line text. String type, but in multi-line text. Now, if I scroll down, this related search, don't worry. This is all your homework to deep dive on the form level. This is a search of the knowledge article. And this search is called the contextual search. CONTEXTUAL, contextual search. How it's work? I show you. I mention hello, I mention email and tab out. It's showing me all the articles where email word has been mentioned. and bring it for me. See, bring it for me. Then these are the sections. You can get multiple sections if you want. Important is this one. Work notes and additional comments. Let's say what type of field it is. Maybe not working here. Work notes. There's a fight happen between Arnav and his sister. They told to their mom. They told to their father. But they will never told to this thing to their neighbors. This is what the work notes, which you want to communicate, which you want to update to your internal team only. We use the work notes. But if you want to tell to the outsider public as well, then it's called additional comments customer visible. Anything if you mention here, a email will be triggered to the caller. घर की बात बाहर क्यों बताने? Why I should tell my house stuff to others? Until unless it is so much necessary. I got first position. I will tell everybody. I'll put WhatsApp status, put Facebook, but I fail. I even don't tell to my parents as well. So this is what these two fields. Only point which need to be remembered. If anything has been mentioned here like this and you post it, you cannot delete it. There's a no option called delete for this one. There are the tricks to delete this, but it's not recommended. You have to go to some log table and all to do this stuff. Okay. Then related records. He's my brother, he's my sister, he's my mama, he's my chacha, uncle, and all these things. These are the related records. Okay. And finally, resolution. These are the reference, these are the date fields, these are the choices, these are the normal this thing. Text fields. See, close notes. And these fields is called the journal entries. I guess this or that. Yeah, this is the journal field. This type is journal. Today we are discussing the type. Tomorrow we will see that how this type look like. Why I want to be use these types. Okay. So this is a small introduction and information about the form view. There are a lot we have to be understand. Okay. But as time is the constraint and things are there. So what I can tell you the best, I'm telling it here. And last question before I put the today's session, the closing part.
No, Atul. Any homework?
Homework is this: explore list view, explore form view, check the fields. Because tomorrow this is going to be the base for us for the table part. We're going to discuss about the tables.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Any last question?
I'm good.
Okay.
Uh,
Good. Sahil.
Sir, the comments were deleted by end users.
Nobody can delete that comments. It can be entered by the users or by the fulfillers. Okay. Clear, Sahil, or any other still need some clarification?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, so let me stop the recording and I will take a quick attendance now.